Hello folks, welcome back to the channel. Today's mission is going to be something for the shop press. I like this press, it's been really good. It's 30 tons, a lot of power. It works very, very well. One thing I have for it is a press brake attachment, and that is right here. Now I don't use this as much. Got 4 different profiles on the bottom here. Top die is extremely basic, but it works really good. You know, just press in the middle. Super heavy. This sucker weighs 200 pounds, 175, something like that. It is heavy. The length on this is 25 3/4. I use this from time to time in this press. When I change this out and everything, and I change the head and all that stuff, we'll get to that later. I gotta lower the table and put that big mamma jamma in there because it's thick, it's tall, it takes up a lot of room. But storing it is an utter kind of nightmare because it is so heavy and so cumbersome. I can't just keep pushing it around. A lot of times we'll put it on a cart, but then it takes up that cart. It's really a pain in the butt. So what I was thinking about doing here, the lowest peg that I move this table down to, so this rod here, you just moving the peg and the table, that's where the table is. But I have these little pieces of pipe fit in here. They're a little loose, but they fit. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put these in here and I'm gonna make a plate that goes across these specifically so I have a place for that press brake attachment to sit right here. It's still going to be kind of low. It's going to be kind of difficult to lift and get off of there, and I probably could even put it in this hole right here and have enough room, but at least it's stored somewhere where I can get at it and it's not buried. That's the mission. So let me show you the file that I whipped up. Nothing too fancy. So right there is our file. You can see those little cutouts there, those little cutouts there on the other side. That's gonna basically go around that pipe. And then I've just got some holes in the center just for kind of dirt and stuff kind of fall out. And then we're gonna bend. We're gonna put a long bend along this edge, a long bend along this edge. So it's gonna look like a channel. We gotta reinforce it a little bit. We can do that too. Now we just gotta go get our material, which I believe we're gonna use some 1/8" steel because this thing is pretty heavy. Anything thinner is just gonna completely get destroyed. Piece. Get everything into position here and we will start our cut. Still might have to reinforce this because I know after a while this pan I think is going to start to belly a little bit. So when we bend these legs down, basically we're going to bend right here, hoping that'll rigid it up. And I might just put like one little cross brace in between here. All right, all cut out. Here we go. This was the top. We're going to make this the top. The slots are 1.5 inches deep. Pipe should drop in there. We're gonna make a bend, and I've got a lot of room in between here. You know, it's only that wide. Go ahead and we'll bend these to 2 1/4. For that we gotta use press brake. things in here, so this probably will never be in the way. Let's see if I can lift it in there. This thing is heavy. This is 25 inches wide. The press is not that wide, so I can't put it completely across like that. It has to sit on the skew. And I got plans to fix that too. Not today. Solution in the future to get this to sit. This will still work. It's a spot where I can put it. It's out of the way, and yet I can still pick this up. I don't think I'm gonna reinforce it. These bends really added a lot to it. Well, thanks for watching, and I hope it was cool. It's just a little quick little 10-minute project. Been meaning to do for a while. Awesome. All right. See you on the next one.